Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to show how to install and activate plugins in WordPress. As you can see, this is my admin dashboard. Here you can see there is a plugins. Click on the plugins and then click on the add new plugin. Here you can see a search button. You can search whatever you want. For example, I will search okay. Now click on the install now. And then click on the activate. Here you can see the plugins is activated. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.